This time, we're going to look at some good practices that you can adopt to make using Copilot easier and get the best results from it. We're going to look at how to structure prompts so you get what you need from Copilot, how to refresh your chats with Copilot so it doesn't get mixed up, and how to save and share good prompts that you write with your team. Now, let's start with prompt structure. So, it's possible to get better results from Copilot if you spend some time to write your prompts with a structure and a format that it can understand. I use a simple 4-step method called GCSE. GCSE, or Goal, Context, Source, and Expectations, is an approach to prompt writing which is designed to get the best out of Copilot. I've got a sample prompt here that will help me explain each of the 4 steps. First, the goal is the outcome of the prompt that I want to see. Or you could say, what do I want? And in this example, it's a report. Next, the context provides the background information that Copilot needs to understand the situation. Or you could say, why do I need it and who is involved? In this prompt, it's an interview between a social care worker and an individual seeking care and support. The source refers to the information or data that the response should be based on. Which information should it use? And in this case, it's a transcript, which is in a Word file. Finally, the expectations describe what I want the response to look like. How do I want Copilot to present the results to me? And in this prompt, I want lots of detail and in a professional tone. So using the GCSE method ensures that you get the best results from Copilot every time. Creating a new chat in Microsoft 365 Copilot allows the user to start a fresh conversation on any topic or query. You'll see the new chat button in the top right corner, and this helps keep instructions organized and focused, making it easier to manage different discussions and tasks separately. Now let's look at how we can manage our prompts. So first of all, saving prompts. This is a Copilot chat feature that lets us save the good prompts we write so we can use them again later. By saving them, we can quickly access them at a later date without having to recreate them all the time. So to save a prompt after running it, I just hover over the prompt and choose the Save Prompt icon. This will bookmark it, making it easily accessible from the prompt gallery. I can open the gallery from the View Prompts link, and then I choose Your Prompts. I can click on it to add the prompt to the window. Next, sharing prompts. So sharing prompts lets us share the good ones with our team so they don't have to write them themselves. This feature ensures that best practices are shared across the organization. To share one, I just hover over the prompt and choose Copy Prompt Link. This will give the person you want to share with a link to the prompt, and I can drop it into a Teams message or an email. You can also choose the share button at the bottom of the prompt results. This will share the prompt and the whole response that Copilot gave you with whoever has the link. Finally, Teams prompts. So these are really good for sharing prompts with your team. They're shared and accessed from the prompt gallery. So to get to the gallery, go to View Prompts wherever you see it, and then choose See All Prompts down here in the right. Now, under Your Prompts, pick the prompt and then choose the Share button, and then choose Share to Team. You then have to choose which team to share with from the drop down here. So you just choose it and then press Share. Now that prompt will show up on the Teams page of the gallery, and you can drop the menu down here to filter the prompts by team. So this time we looked at how to create prompts with a structure that Copilot can understand. We looked at how to refresh your prompts to help Copilot stay on topic, and how to save and share your prompts so when you write a good one, everyone can benefit from it.